People are going to hate me for this, but I don't care because, listen, if you're not hated for telling the truth, I don't know. They killed a perfect man. They killed Jesus. So I don't know why I should think that this world will not do worse to me. But I just want to say this specifically to Jamaicans and Jamaicans alone. Like, if you are not Jamaican, you can just scroll on, right? It's not cute on you to take up the same negative attitude and behavior as Americans. And I'm talking about the typical Black American who complains a lot and have this very negative outlook on life. It does not look good on you because you come from a country that has positive energy and have positive vibes and see the good in everything and is resourceful, and you know how to navigate and find the best solution. Like I was saying, you come from a country where people are resourceful and they laugh when it gets tough and move through it. They don't dwell on shit. We never had time and space to dwell on shit because we had chores and we had to go wash up the dishes. Use the same energy, because all of that you guys are complaining about, it built morale, it built integrity, it gave you something to hold on to, it built up something in you so that you would be able to deal with the harshness of this world. So don't get stuck in that victim mentality and carry on with all of the complaining. Get the fuck on with life and stop it right now. It's hard for all of us, okay? I'm having it too. But I'm not going to come on the internet and complain. I'm just not gonna fucking do it. I have too much Jamaican pride to do that. So please remember your Jamaican pride. I need to see it shining.